Hey fellow gardeners, I just wanted to chat about another beautiful plant today, and that's this one right here, which is called Salvia. There's thousands of different varieties of salvias, and we've got a beautiful deep purple one here, and then in the front we've got a lighter purpley pink one. They're stunning plants for this time of year. Again, flowering in summer. Full sun, they love full sun, and they're pretty hardy. These ones are on a very steep slope, so they don't get much water, and they're flourishing. So yeah, check it out. It's beautiful in that it looks after the bees too. I don't know if you can see, I'm just trying to see some now, there's some down there, but they're all flying around, busy getting all their honey. So a good one to attract the bees. And then once it's finished flowering, all you do is just hack it back. Really hardy, so hack it back. It'll look a little miserable for a while, but then it'll start to reshoot and then it will come back into flower again. So perfect plant for your garden, guys.